Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to this channel, hi, my name is Brittany. Nice to finally meet you. So for today's video, we are gonna get into skincare. Oh, my favorite topic. I love skincare and I love to find all these little nits and tricks to making your face better, because honestly, if you have a good skincare routine and you know what you're doing and you find products that are best for your skin, God, not only will life be just so much easier and you can just get up and go, but also when you apply your makeup, it is so noticeable. When your skin is nice and hydrated and radiant, it shows through your makeup and it just makes a more flawless application. So if you are interested in picking up some little tips and tricks from my skincare routine, please keep watching. So the first step to removing all of your makeup, I would recommend using this cleansing water by Garnier. It is perfect and it's not harsh on the skin, and I don't feel like it strips away my natural oils while taking away my makeup. So you just shake it first, put it on a nice flat cotton pad, and watch as it just completely removes your makeup like magic. I mean, look at that difference, right? Bomb. Next step that I do is exfoliate. Exfoliate is so important because it helps clear all of your pores and get all of that dead skin and excess oil out. And for that, I'm going to be going in with the exfoliator by Skin & Co. I swear by this one. It is so bomb. Again, this is another product that does not make my face dry or take out all of my natural oils, so that's the part that I really love. So we're gonna go in with some lukewarm water over our face and I'll be right back. So now that our face is all nice and wet, we're gonna get just that much, probably like a quarter amount, and lightly scrub it all over our face. You don't want to be harsh with your skin, especially when you're exfoliating, because you're taking off that like first layer of your skin that has all the dead cells. You want to exfoliate your skin at least once a week, or if you have very sensitive skin or dry skin, try to do it once or twice a month. Next, you're gonna rinse your face off with, again, some lukewarm water. Wow guys, I mean, look at my skin already. It just looks so fresh and so clean. You'll notice that I didn't do it on my neck. I don't like to exfoliate my neck because I like to make sure it's soft as possible. And when I put makeup on my neck, it's never so caked as my face. So I really don't feel like my neck needs it, and I really want to make sure that it maintains its softness. And I don't think it has any roughness or dead skin feeling, so that's why I ignore my neck for that part. The next step is to cleanse your face. My favorite at the moment is this Elemis Superfood Cleansing Foam. This has been absolutely amazing. It is the only one so far that has not broken me out as bad, and also another product that I feel does not strip my face so heavy. So once again, lukewarm water, wash your face, and then rinse. Notice that every time I dry my face, I pat. You never want to rub against. You want to be super gentle with your skin, guys. It is so important. You have no idea how sensitive your skin is. So now that we have exfoliated and washed our face, now we're gonna hydrate my skin a little bit more. I'm gonna go in with the avocado sleeping mask. So for sleeping masks during the daytime, I like to just apply it and keep it on for about 5 minutes, and then I rinse it off because it is a sleeping mask. You're supposed to stay with it, but if you're using it during the day, you don't want to keep it on. You want to just leave it on for a few minutes and then take it right off. I personally don't like to use sleeping masks before I'm about to go to sleep, because for me it's just a little too intense for my skin and my skin easily breaks out. So I just like to use it during the day and leave it on for a few minutes and then just take it right off. It is pretty thick. You just want a very thin amount, like you can barely even see this formula. Okay, so I'm just gonna leave this on for 5 minutes and then I'm gonna take it right off and I'll be right back. You have no idea how much I love that sleeping mask. It just brings so much life to my face and makes my face feel so much more hydrated because my skin is usually pretty dry. But anyways, after doing a moisturizing mask, I like to go in with a toner. I'm gonna be using Good Acids Pore Toner. This is by Peach and Lily. So I just put it on a flat cotton pad again, and this toner is really good because I always notice a difference in my pore size after using this. It really just shrinks and locks them in. You always want to end with a good toner, especially if you are one that feels they have pretty big pores. To finish off, I'm gonna go in with this eye balm from Tula. It is to hydrate your under eyes. I have been using this for about 2 months now and I absolutely love it. I use it almost every single day. It has this cooling solution to help depuff your eyes, and it literally, once you put it on, it like freezes this part. It literally stays cool. I like to put it on when it's like a super hot day because as soon as I get like a whiff of like air or anything, like I feel it so cold, and oh my goodness, it feels so good. So this has been my favorite eye cream at the moment. On occasion, I also like to top it off with No More Baggage depuffing gel from Dr. Brandt. I love his brand. Almost all of his products have just been absolutely amazing for me every single time. So it's just this little amount that you put underneath your eyes to help further depuff your circles or bags, and it's like this little orange based, but it works really good and like it works within minutes, so you have to give it a little bit of time. I usually use this when I feel very tired or I notice I have some really deep bags, so this is perfect for that. To finish off the rest of my face, I'm going to be using my favorite facial moisturizer by CeraVe. Their products are also super amazing, very lightweight, and they never break me out, which is my favorite. This one also includes SPF 30, which is sunscreen. And sunscreen is so important to keep in your regular skincare routine because the sun can be so damaging to your skin and leave so many fine lines and dark spots. So if you don't have a moisturizer that contains sunscreen, please get one. It is so very important. Literally, it will change your life. In addition to hydrating my face, another thing I like to go in with is an all-over mist. I personally like rose water. So I picked up this Spray All Day Rose Water by Grace and Stella, and this one has been one of my favorites because it is very lightweight. It also does not break me out. My skin is very sensitive, so any products that I find that are good for my skin and don't break me out is like a 1 in a million. So I really like that one. I used to use the Mario Badescu one a lot, but I seen a lot of mixed reviews on them, and I noticed that it does dry my skin. Although at that very moment it moisturized, I do notice that later on in the day or a couple days later, I noticed it does strip my face. So that's why I switched, and I've been really liking this Grace and Stella one. So just a little tip for you guys, in case you were looking into a rose water, I would highly recommend that one. Last but not least, I like to moisturize my lips as well for the end of my skincare routine. I have so far been loving this lip line corrector by QMS. It is so very expensive, guys, but it does work. Didn't purchase it, it came in my BoxyCharm. This little thing is $200, so I mean, if not this one, any lip moisturizer will work. This one is just to really amplify your lip line and also hydrate your lips. I noticed a slight difference in my lip line, not too crazy, but the main reason why I like to use it because it really hydrates my lips, and I don't have much for my lips, which I need to really get. If you don't have already, I highly recommend getting a lip scrub. Some good ones that I know of is Jeffree Star. He has a pretty good one. There's mixed reviews on the Kylie Cosmetics one, so you can even try try that one. But definitely get a lip scrub and a lip moisturizer. And then the last thing for my skincare routine, which I like to save for last because it's not for everybody, is going in with witch hazel. I use this to clean my eyelashes. If you have eyelash extensions, I highly recommend using witch hazel. It's not so harsh on your eyelashes and it really does clean very, very good. If you also have troubled skin, I recommend using witch hazel as a toner at least once a week. It's a natural plant, I believe. It really helps to gently remove dirt and grime from your face, and also it helps to fight acne, so that's also a plus. This is the final result to my skincare routine. My skin just feels so much more glowy and hydrated and appreciative of all these products. This is what I use, and this is what helps me to maintain my face and to help with breakouts and blemishes. Now for this routine, this is not something that I do every single day. This is usually something that I do every 2 weeks because products are very harsh on the face and you don't want to continually apply so many products every single day because that will just overwhelm your skin. So you want to make sure with like exfoliating and masks and toners, things like that, that you don't do every single day. It is honestly up to you and your skin of what you can handle. So just kind of play it day by day, see what your skin can tolerate, if it can do it every day, if it can do it once a week, once a month. It all depends on your skin. For me, this is what I do every 2 weeks. For a day-to-day basis though, I always hydrate, and I always use my CeraVe moisturizer because it has the SPF sunscreen. It just works so perfect with my skin. This is the one and only moisturizer that I'm able to use every single day without having any problems. And also, like I said, the Tula eye balm is something that I use every single day because it really does help with my eyes and brightening. So those are definitely my go-to. For the facial wash, this guy, I usually use it twice a week. My skin, like I keep saying, is super sensitive. So to wash my face with a product, I can only manage twice a week. The rest of the times I just use plain cold water, which is definitely recommended if you have irritated or sensitive or acne prone skin. You definitely don't want to overdo it with products. You want to keep using just plain cold water that will minimize your pores and minimize breakouts as well. And this is just what I've noticed that has helped me and what I have figured out throughout my skincare routines. And that is all for my skincare routine. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below what your skincare routine is and if you added any of these products or any of these tips and tricks to your skincare routine. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on that notification bell so that you're notified every Sunday when I upload. And as always, thank you so much for watching.